part two of our backyard makeover. I think outdoor living spaces is an area that's really popular right now. A lot of people want to enjoy their backyard, and in this case we're going to take a look at our backyard and what we did. This is part two of our series. First series we did was the patio over here, remodel, and today we're going to show you our new grass. So we help people achieve the highest quality of life through buying and selling real estate. So if you're looking to buy a home or sell a home, contact us and let us know. We'd be glad to help. And in this video, we're talking about staying put. And sometimes staying put and making that home how you like it is the best way to do things rather than buy or sell a home. And in this case, our house, we needed a backyard makeover pretty bad. We had our backyard would be flooded anytime there was rain, really uneven. The grass was terrible, it was mostly weeds. So we really needed to redo the drainage, which was our first step that we did. Then we redid the patio, which is actually like 4 inches taller than the original patio that was here. The original patio was in really terrible shape and uneven. So we did the patio and then the grass. So I want to talk to you about how that happened and the process that we went through for the grass. The first thing was we had to kill all of the existing grass and weeds and everything that was here existing. So we did that with our landscaper, Angerman Landscaping, did a phenomenal job through that. Then what they did was they regraded the yard, brought in truckloads of topsoil. So we're going to show you around the backyard and show you some of the things that we did with the backyard. And as you can see, this sod is about 1 month in, about ready to cut it again. It needs to be cut again. It turned out beautiful. And I want to show you over here what we did next to the patio. Our landscaper recommended that we do this stone here. That way we didn't have to cut the grass all the way back here to this part. And it actually gives you a little bit of area where we can store things. We've got our light stands here and the grill and everything like that. So it turned out beautiful. We did new mulch here. This, as you see, is a bit of a mess, but this will be our phase 3, which is going to be redoing this pond. So when we bought the house, there was an existing pond and it never operated. We never got it to work. So we're actually, as you see the stones over here, we're going to rebuild the entire pond and do kind of like a stream waterfall into the pond. So that'll look nice. We'll hopefully do a video on that when that's done. Redid the beds all the way over here on the side of the house also. This was in bad shape. We had like weeds and a bunch of it. It was just really nasty. So that was pulled out with new mulch put in there. And then back here also, this bed over here by the air conditioner, that was in really bad shape. So we pulled out a lot of the plants that were in there and put new mulch in there. So still a work in progress. But it was a great project. We're really happy with how everything turned out and really able to enjoy this outdoor living space that we didn't have before. It was just so bad before we didn't really use it. So that's a little inside look at our backyard remodel project. So outdoor living spaces, I think, is a great way that you can add value to your home, and it may not get 100% of that out when it's time to sell at home, but you really do get that enjoyment out of it. And that's what we did here with our outdoor living area. We wanted to just have a space where we can enjoy it as a family, and we're really enjoying it. We've been able to do a couple of entertainment dinners out here, so it's been a really fun time as a family out here enjoying our patio and our new grass. If you want to learn more about our patio, check the video right here and go in depth on the thought processes that went into figuring out how we're going to do the patio, what materials to use. And so check that video out there for more information on that.